Yo, 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 what's going on YouTube? Man, it's your boy, man. I'm back. Let's do it. As you can see, man, I didn't trade for the past 2 days, so I didn't trade Monday and I didn't trade Tuesday. I didn't trade Monday because no news Monday and it was towards the end of the month. So as you could see, if I can find it, market open right here, and you see consolidation throughout the day. Didn't trade Tuesday, just because news came out at 10, and I just had a lot going on as well. I just got back in town yesterday as well, so that's another reason why I didn't trade, because it just didn't make sense for me. Um, Other than that, though, we still here though. We here. So where we at with it? Let me just see what the, let me clear this out. As you do know, I am funded. Really don't plan on too much trading today, just to be honest. We're in an uptrend, might close down. Let's see what the hour's talking about. Hour, we're in the downtrend. Broke structure, continue, continuation. Boom, boom. On the 4 hour on here, we're on the downturn, on here, we're on the uptrend. Sticky situation. But um we gonna be here for it though. Market opens in 2 minutes. Market opens in 2 minutes. That means macro open in 17. Yeah, they help me. But we still we looking like something. We looking like something. Let's go ahead and mark out London session highs and lows. Three. So we got all this liquidity up here. I'm seeing. Well, also these low resistance liquidities right here, but just super news talking about today. Like I already seen it, but I want to make sure y'all see it today as well. So boom, no news for real. Market just open. Won't let me stop. Shit. Alright, market just open. We don't take early trades, so we're never tripping. Y'all know we don't take early trades, so we ain't never tripping. Oh my gosh. Definitely want to trade ES. Damn, that's kind of crazy too though. Relative equal lows on both. Hmm. Relative equal lows and highs on both make me not even wanna. I definitely have to wait on this hourly closure and 4 hour closure just to see where we at with it. Is we gonna close beneath this low? We're definitely in a downtrend. Definitely in a downtrend. I think honestly, let me look at alright, let me look at Monday session. Monday session, manipulation, accumulation, continuation. Manipulation session, manipulation, continuation, consolidation. I think today's gonna be a consolidating day, so like we just gonna see how. Let me before I talk. Um, manipulation, continuation. See, all right. So I'm all right. I'm gonna see if we gonna consolidate more here. Are we gonna continue on? Yeah, we have these highs up here that's yet to be swept, but nothing's giving me yeah, we're gonna come all the way up here to attack these highs. Unless we do come reverse to sweep these and to go continue lower, that would be nice. But honestly, I think we did fill this 4 hour gap, so paying attention to those, we did sweep out these relative equal lows right here, which could be a sign. You feel me? So I'm go ahead. I will go ahead and mark that out. So we not out of the game yet. We still gotta let market play out, do its thing, do its thing. So hold on now. Hey, personal. Yeah, we did make a S&T, but we need a up candle. We do need a up candle. I'm not gonna lie. Not to go until I do need a up candle. Let's see what the 5 minute talking about. But we have some share from our banana. We moving kind of flunky. moving flunky. Don't like that. I don't like that. The Nasdaq is in an uptrend on the 5 minute, while yes is in a downtrend. Um, this is no majority be a no trade for me. Just being honest, uh, just not really worth it. I'm gonna still wait to macro open. This I'm gonna start marking my macros out. Uh, so I'm gonna mark them green only because I know if it's before the green, then I should expect red. You feel me? And that just to keep myself just psychologically um, paying attention to what's going on. Yeah, the 1 minute SMC, but I don't think it might have the power to push all the way up, but you got all these low resistance right here that it'll have to push past. You go to 15 minutes still, a lot of good low resistance. Take profits hourly, not that much, but you got this fair value you got right here that you have to be mindful for. So, yes, it would probably be my first take profit right there. I would look to trade Nasdaq. Uh, like I said, macro have not opened, so these moves could be manipulation because the ES is not moving that high, so it might come back and attack what you could call this support. This support right here. They'll kind of mark this out like this. I don't really use this strategy, but basically like right there, and honestly, once it breaks through that, could be looking for sales. But you know how that go. You know how that go. Oh, what I buy? Shit, I honestly think ES and Nasdaq finna make a higher time frame S&T to move towards the downside. I don't think Nasdaq gonna reach all the way up there. I think it's gonna continue lower, and it's that these low resistance liquidities right here. At the same time, we did make a high time frame S&T. Um, that's one thing I also gotta be mindful for. did take out a lot of these low listen liquidity. So, just seeing how market finna close, don't really have a strong bias. Um, be honest with you, if you sitting here waiting for a trade to see I'm trade, I'm going to tell you I'm not trading today. Um, my first trade on my funded account can't be a trade that just don't add up in my favor. Like my trade that I'm about to I'm gonna take needs to add up in my favor, especially for my first trade. Don't want to be in drawdown on my first trade, just not smart or a good feeling to be in. Um, yeah. But yeah, man. So like I was saying, still waiting on macro. The open got 2 minutes on macro. And then I'll just kind of show y'all if I was to place a trade where I would place it. Um, got this 5 minute fair value gap right here that could hold some weight or be totally disrespected. We got them. We also got this one right here, but we're gonna see what these play out first. Um, yes, we have no fair value gaps. Didn't even break structure. If Nasdaq at this 1 minute fair value gap that was filled, Nasdaq moving lower 1 minute until boom. Might be looking for the retracement right here. And then break the structure. If you invalidate this, macro, macro. So we're gonna see where we headed with it. Invalidate that. We're going to we invalidate that and get a breaker structure on yes. We're going to the highs. So oh my gosh. I would kind of been like right there. To be honest with you. 1 minute break structure, yes. Has that breaker structure. 5 minute boom. Had a retracement. Moving. Just makes sense to me. I expect a little drawdown into this fair value gap if anything, but not really tripping. Big stop loss. First TP that I got in right here. I could have got in on ES for the move, but just no real draw on liquidity. I'm talking all the way up here, and that's kind of crazy, honestly. Not too crazy, but just the way market's moving, I wouldn't really trade today just because I kind of expect consolidation. Um, but we could have been probably had a banger off this move, but we're gonna see where it takes us. So first take profit been right here, second TP. Shit, right here. We got TP1, which is a 1-1, not too bad. TP2. Like I said, do expect a little drawdown within this fair value gap. It will come with the game. Also, know we got a closure above the 79% mark. Cabal. So honestly, the best trade would probably been wait on ES. Here, let's see first. I'm still long. Ooh, no. First TP probably right here. Right here, not too good on the risk reward. And then second TP, I'm probably gonna ride away. I probably would have rolled away. Tripping. But I wouldn't have placed the trade honestly on that. Yes, I would have been on NASDAQ. And not to say NASDAQ looking any better. Like, man, that's why, like I said, I'm not trading today. It's obviously for a reason. For this reason, but it's just testing to see why I wouldn't trade that. It would have still been a good day, even though, regardless of a good day, still sticking to the plan and discipline myself to not trade and show up, show up. I ain't too fresh there. I try to put that shit on for y'all guys today, man. Hold on. Shit. Goddamn, put that shit on for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Just do this, son. Okay, we riding. What we looking like on here? Shit. Hella dry down. Honestly, I would have had to wait for the fair value gap, so it honestly would have been right there. Just being honest. Because I would have to wait for this fair value gap to be filled. If you don't see it, if you don't know, you know. Boom, you got filled up kind of out of it. Close above 79% mark. But, you know what I mean? We're going to still win it. But now that trade, we looking all right. Like I said, I expect a consolidation today. So, we already pushed into 10 and not really big moves. Probably just consolidation moves. While that's going on, Gonna go ahead and charge my iPad up so I can go ahead and edit my video. I definitely been procrastinating about. Uh, just now gonna get a little more serious on my game and lock in with you guys. I have a lot to do, a lot to focus on, a lot to handle. Uh, and if I don't handle it, no one else will. So let me make sure I handle my business and handle the things I have going on. I don't want this video to be too long just because I'm not actually placing the trade today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. I'm just gonna come back and see where we at with it when it kind of makes its way in its direction. And if it's still taking a little long, come in and check up with you guys still. Let you know if I was moved to break even, just whatever's going on. You feel me? Keep still trying to keep it as much alive as I can. We having good moves right now, so might stay on the camera a little longer. TP1, TP2, just the highs and lows of London session and Asian session. Um, like I said, I don't want to be caught in consolidation, but the 5 minute looking good. Still, just this 1 minute that I'm seeing the consolidation starting to build up, and obviously it's gonna start on the lower time frame before it do on the higher time frames. I really do want a closure above this right here. If I can get close above this right here, I know we're finna rip. Y'all get it? I asked for it. Y'all get it? Did I get it? Shit. I said we were finna rip. I ain't saying the other way though. I think I got it though. Honestly, I think I got the closure. So let's see how we gonna move. All right, now I feel a little more comfortable move this stop loss up just because we have these lows to protect this. So now my stop loss is a little better. I might hold all the way to Asian session if I was. Be honest, I would still at TP1, TP2. 1-1, 2-1. Don't care what people say. Get my money, get the fuck on. Mm. Like I said, I see a lot of accumulation going on right now. What ES talking about? ES is shit in the bag. And honestly, once we playing around these lows right here, and with us already in the hourly downtrend, and we playing around these lows with no reaction, immediate reaction, I can't really expect too much. Just another reason I wouldn't trade is because it doesn't really go with my plan. But this would be a move for basically just a total reversal. Looking for this to kind of react in a positive way, but if it don't, I'm gonna be shit. But Sometimes you gotta trust the plan, trust the plan. Don't be scared, don't be scared. Unless you scared of it. Okay, okay. Now I'm scared of it. The only thing I'm scared about is the 5 minute S&T, but at the same time, the S&T both ways. So like, you know, I feel like we gotta at least come sweep these out though. But at the same time, really can't expect too much because early downtrend at the tip of that, everybody got playing in this hourly fair value got gotta be closed. So we can get this breaker structure right here. Really hope we get this breaker structure right here. If we don't, catch you guys. Um, come on, now we need this. Yeah, 25 seconds to get it. 25 seconds to get it. Yeah, 25 seconds to get it. If we don't get it, I know we finna shit the bed. I know we finna shit the bed today. I know we didn't get it, but it's okay cause I'm okay today. But we can still go all the way to the top. That's just how it goes, 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 goes. And we swell hellos, lows, 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 lows. How you feel, baby? If the love that you gave me was real, baby. Tell me how you feel, baby. You know what I mean? Real crazy, real crazy, real crazy. It's just that consolidation, bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. And I can't get no way, no way, no way. It's okay, it's okay. They can't stop me all day. Oh shit, we ripping, but it's just kind of taking too long. We're not really ripping, but we still finding in the consolidation zone. But I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. I'm gonna get back to you guys when it actually does something. Yo 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 yo. As you can see, TP1 is here. TP2 is on the way. Okay, okay. Yes, 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 yes. We're looking far from good. Oh, I wish you would say that. Not too much drawdown pushed out this accumulation. Um, Lightning session manipulation. New York continuation. Finna attack both of these highs. Finna attack both of these highs. Asian session high. Asian session high. You also got this high. But TP1 was hit all together. So not too much of a bad trade. Honestly, don't want the video to be too long because we also pushing 40 minutes. So I'm already telling you guys I believe TB2 would be here. If it's not, it's still a good trade because honestly, this what would happen. All risk is off the table. Everything else is free money, free game. So, trade success. Trade was a success. Just came to show you guys I still could have made money today, but being disciplined, decided just to wait for my strategy to be more consistent with my plan. So I catch you guys on another day. It's your boy, we out. You know what I'm saying? We trading soon, day one, no trades. No profit, but could have won today. So we out. Hello. 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 Ah, we out.